Torrential slide value equivalent to $12.6006 a coin. The present reach: $12.0357, $13.9670. The earlier day close: $12.9886. The change was 0.3880, 2.99%. Reverse rate: United States dollars to Avax. Torrential slide value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Torrential slide cost expectation for November 2023. Before all else cost at $11.34. Most extreme cost $17.67, least cost $10.88. The normal for the month $14.10. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $16.51, change for November 45.6%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for December 2023. To start with, cost at $16.51. Greatest cost $20.49, least cost $14.98. The normal for the month $17.78. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $19.15, change for December 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for January 2024. First and foremost, cost at $19.15. Greatest cost $23.76, least cost $19.15. The normal for the month $21.07. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $22.21, change for January 16.0%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for February 2024. At the outset, cost at $22.21. Most extreme cost $22.21, least cost $19.12. The normal for the month $21.03. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $20.56, change for February 7.4%. Torrential slide cost expectation for WALK 2024. Initially cost at $20.56. Most extreme cost $20.56, least cost $16.06. The normal for the month $18.61. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $17.27, change for spring 16.0%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for April 2024. In the first place, cost at $17.27. Greatest cost $18.18, least cost $15.80. The normal for the month $17.06. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $16.99, change for April 1.6%. Torrential slide cost expectation for May 2024. Before all else, cost at $16.99. Most extreme cost $16.99, least cost $14.58. The normal for the month $16.06. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $15.68, change for May 7.7%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for June 2024. Initially cost at $15.68. Most extreme cost $15.68, least cost $12.25. The normal for the month $14.20. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $13.17, change for June 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for July 2024. In the first place, cost at $13.17. Greatest cost $13.60, least cost $11.82. The normal for the month $12.83. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $12.71, change for July 3.5%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for August 2024. First and foremost, cost at $12.71. Greatest cost $14.12, least cost $12.28. The normal for the month $13.08. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $13.20, change for August 3.9%. Torrential slide cost expectation for September 2024. At the outset, cost at $13.20. Most extreme cost $13.20, least cost $10. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $11.45, change for September 13.3%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for October 2024. Before all else, cost at $11.45. Most extreme cost $14.21, least cost $11.45. The normal for the month $12.60. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $13.28, change for October 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for November 2024. To start with, cost at $13.28. Greatest cost $13.28, least cost $10.38. The normal for the month $12.03. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $11.16, change for November 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for January 2026. First and foremost, cost at $6.06. Greatest cost $6.29, least cost $5.47. The normal for the month $5.93. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $5.88, change for January 3.0%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for February 2026. Before all else, cost at $5.88. Most extreme cost $7.30, least cost $5.88. The normal for the month $6.47. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $6.82, change for February 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for walk 2026. Initially cost at $6.82. Most extreme cost $8.46, least cost $6.82. The normal for the month $7.50. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $7.91, change for spring 16.0%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for April 2026. To start with, cost at $7.91. Greatest cost $9.58, least cost $7.91. The normal for the month $8.59. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $8.95, change for April 13.1%. Torrential slide cost expectation for May 2026. At the outset, cost at $8.95. Most extreme cost $8.95, least cost $6.99. The normal for the month $8.10. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $7.52, change for May 16.0%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for June 2026. First and foremost, cost at $7.52. Greatest cost $7.52, least cost $5.88. The normal for the month $6.81. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $6.32, change for June 16.0%. Torrential